Please tell us about Scarborough short-term and long-term storage services.
So Scarborough short and long-term storage offerings are geared directly towards our clients' needs. So when we talk about storage with our clients, first we get a feel for exactly what the client is requiring and what their needs are. So if it's a short-term solution where we're just working with the client on an issue that they had where they have goods that are looking to get delivered to a location that is closed for whatever the case is and reason is, we can offer storage solutions for that, where we're storing the product for, a day, half a day, a couple days, whatever the case might be, where we simply unload the goods. It sits in our warehouse for a period of time, segregated together, and then goes directly back out at the next opportunity to the location. Or where we're offering a long-term storage solution to where we're storing materials that are either excess or bulk for a client. And that could be many different ways and things. It could be the client just has excess amounts of this good at this particular moment in time because it's something that's seasonal, so they need expanded storage for that good, and we're just simply offering that storage solution. Or it could be they're buying that good in bulk now for a seasonal shipment that they send out at certain times of the year, and we're offering them a monthly storage rate to store that good and then do the order fulfillment. So our storage solutions are geared directly to our clients' needs. And when we are, doing our client setup, whether it's an existing client or a new client, we very much strive to meet whatever needs and specifications our clients have.